Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. This is L&M Custom Builders here. We're going to show you our pour for the Wodskow slab on the foundation. As you can see, getting right into it, we got some boots on the ground action. We're obviously starting with mucking. Then we're bringing out the power screed, as you can see right there. It's called a screed demon. It's something we just picked up. It's really nice. Makes it a lot less stressful on the body when you're screeding, and also it helps with just making things super flat and perfect so you don't have to deal with those high and low spots later on. So yeah, we're just screening that back. And yeah, we're pushing up into those low spots with the muck rakes and pulling from the high spots. I think we got Jordan, Braden, there's Val grabbing the power screed. But yeah, we're getting that first section there. It's a 16-foot section because that's how long the attachment is for the power screed. And then we're hopping on with the bowl float here, as you can see. The bowl float is a magnesium tool. It's good for when you first get that concrete poured, flattening things out, taking lines out, smoothing it out. We're going to go from each side, make sure we get every spot. So I'll go left to right there, and then after I do that, I'll go front to back just to get every little spot. So yeah, as you can see, we're moving on to this next section here. Bring that power screed back, getting it all flattened. Just getting used to it. Something, like I said, we recently picked up, so just getting the feel for it. But it ended up working out pretty nice overall. Yes, as you can see, going the other way with the bowl float there. And then we got Val hopping on another bowl float. Finishing out that last section. So when we're doing concrete, it's really important for us to hit each phase to the best of our ability. That way it makes it a lot easier for us, when we move forward. We don't have to work backwards at all. That's why you can see we're really getting out all those low and high spots with the bowl float there. Taking as many lines out as we can, of course, while it's wet. Won't be perfect. Right. So yeah, we're taking out the screed form boards here. They're no longer needed as we've filled that whole section. We're going to move on to the last little section after we take these boards out. And we'll hit this new section with the bowl float. Kind of just continue the process we've been doing down to the end of the pad. You can kind of slightly see the difference between where we have hit with the bowl float and where we haven't. We're just finishing up getting the rest of that, getting the last little screeding in there. Right, as you can see, it kind of jumps to later on in the day. It's getting near to the point where we're gonna trade out that bowl float with the Fresno, which is, rather than magnesium, it is steel. Works better for later on in the finish for making it look pretty, bringing the cream up, things like that. The Fresno especially takes out all your little lines, especially as you keep moving forward and the concrete sets off. And you can see we got some guys over there hitting the edges. It's not the easiest to get the edges real nice with the poles and the floats, so they got a steel trowel and they're cleaning up the edges over there. Yeah, the time lapse shows pretty well how those little imperfections slowly come out. Oh, here we go. We got the power trowel on the pad now. Um, Power trowel. It's real nice for these big slabs. Can really burn them in, get them nice and shiny. Of course, this is just for the foundation. It's gonna be covered right up, so it's not too important to get it all burned in and shiny. But we still want to do the best we can. Um, might as well go for the best. Get a little practice out of it, and yeah, we want to keep our quality of work to the highest standard possible. So you can see we're taking a break with the power trowel, letting the concrete dry a little bit more. Still cleaning up those edges, and you can see Val gets out there to get around the pipes for the plumbing. It's important to do that. We don't want those to have big old high spots. You can't really hit them with the uh, power trowel or the floats very perfectly, so it's important to get out there and flatten those off. And you'll see it as Val comes through here with the power trowel. Rather than just going back and forth one way, um, switch from left to right and then go front to back. Like I said, so you can get every little imperfection. Yeah, so you can see some boots on the ground action with this power trowel. It's a fun tool to use, that's for sure. Really gets the job done. Alright, so we'll throw in the last little video to show you kind of the finished product, and yeah, there you go. Thank you guys. So that's our slab for the foundation at Wodskow, and have a good one.